Kakai pot jong Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights kabal pelat mentaka arpo khandai tarik rempang arja arpo sau kala kedau bahaki shipos nam nadu bala penteri kam yakaan Protection of Children Sexual Offences 2012 nadu usnam arhajar khatlai hadu usnam arhajar arpo lai kidon hadu arhajar sanspa handru pau handru tali ki mukot duma bala ujol persya yaki kam thombor yaki Khynnah kanthei badang rit karta Lakdauru bana pedeng kini ki arhajar sanspa handru pau handru tali ki mukot duma syajar khandai spa prapau sau tali ki ki mukot duma badang sateng haki district court baper hakani ke jala kalkum ke jingong research cell commission uba Abraham Nongbet haka sengi bapelat ba yakapok so act 2012 haka tien khasi uloong baki mukot duma kila jurbha haki snem badan ka klam covid haka baha usnem arhajar arpau kidon laispa handru pau san bat ha arhajar arpau wei kidon hadu laispa hanyau popra tadi ki mukot duma katbah ki district ki kam thombor bajur tam deha is kasi hills kabadan hadu hanyau spa khandai tali ki mukot duma bat ka south garo hills ka district ka baduna ki kam thombor hak ba kadon tang handru pau sau tali ki mukot duma ulong ba kidon khatwei tali ki pok so court haman la ki district like no ka eastern west kasi hills namar ba kadang dei ka district bathamai habaya dei ba ki case sharai pendram haki ying bishar Kari Bohoi district kadika district ka babun ki mukot duma ban syarai pendram haki ying bishar hak bakadon sanpau tali ki mukot duma bala rai pendram ki runar katba ka west khase hills kadon lai phawei tali ki mukot duma ki bala syarai pendram bat ka east khase hills kadon lai phau tali ki mukot duma bala rai sya pendram
This have been increasing on a year wise, with the maximum number of cases being reported in the COVID years of 2020, 2021 and 2022, of which 2021 has shown as the highest number of cases registered, totaling a number of 378 cases. When we look at the percentages of cases, we find that East Khasi Hills has the highest number of cases, which registers at 28% of all the cases in the state.